Good day, grade 10 students. I am your facilitator for today, Sir Alfred D. Santos, and I will continue our discussion in Health 10, Lesson 2. I am excited to have you here again, excited all about the amazing topics that we have lined up for you. Today, we are going to talk about health career pathways. To better understand our lesson, be ready and prepare the following: your self-learning module, notebook, and pen. These are the competencies for today's lecture, which is based on the most essential learning competency of the Department of Education. A. Explore the various health career pathways. Select a particular health career pathway based on personal competence and interest. Participate in a health career orientation program. B. Decides on an appropriate health career path. Now, do you have any background on this topic? Great! Before we go further, let's have a short review in our previous lesson. Do you still remember the components and steps in making a health career plan? Can you type your answer in the comment chat box? If you answer self-assessment, very good. Did you type career exploration? Excellent. Looking for more answers. I see you type decision making. Great. Someone is typing plan of action. Perfect. So, you did it. You've got the correct answers. Your participation today is a great start to energize everyone's mind. Our lesson today will help you in choosing a career path that is suitable for your interest. Health careers are getting important nowadays because of the abundance of health care-related works. People are becoming more and more health conscious, and they put health as a priority in their lives. Those who work in the prevention and cure of illness or injuries are considered important. What are health career pathways? Health career pathways are clusters of occupations that are grouped because of shared skills. All pathways include a variety of occupations that require different levels of education, skills, and training. Selecting a career pathway provides you with an area of focus, along with flexibility and variety of ideas to pursue for personal development. Why do we need to understand health career pathways? It is important to understand the different career pathways in health so that you can take the career options you want. There are many job opportunities in the health industry. These jobs range from the least technical to the most. You will have to determine where you are and where you want to be so that you can prepare for it in college. Aligning your career path with your skills and passion is a good way to start. Here are also lists to deepen your understanding about health career pathways. 1. Makes it easier for you to identify health career professions. 2. Assists you in choosing a health career. 3. Helps you develop a plan on how to prepare for your chosen health career. Now, let us proceed to examples of health career pathways. Disease prevention and control. People who specialize in this career path focus on communicable and non-communicable diseases. Their work includes immunization, screening of newborns, promotion of breastfeeding, infant diseases prevention, adolescent healthcare, and life skills. Personal health care. Professionals in this field perform healthcare-related tasks in a personal care level. These include monitoring patients, administering and assisting a personal care and hygiene, performing housekeeping duties, and advising clients on related healthcare issues like infant care, hygiene, and nutrition. Maternal and child care. These health workers deal with complex public health issues that affect women, children, and their families. Sample careers: midwifery, community health educator, outreach specialist. Mental health care. These medical professionals specialize in dealing with interpersonal and intrapersonal relationships and life skills. It includes social work, clinical psychology, psychiatry, guidance counseling. Community health care. Specialists in this area focus on the maintenance, protection, and improvement of the health of community members. Sample careers includes barangay community health works, rural sanitary inspection. Nutrition. Specialists in this area find ways to balance individuals' food and nutrition and their impact on patients' health. Sample careers: clinical dietetics, food and nutrition management, public health nutrition, and education and research. Environmental healthcare management. These health workers try to establish correlation between and among the physical, chemical, biological, social, and psychosocial factors in the surrounding environment. Sample careers includes air quality monitoring, soil science analysis, hazardous and solid waste management, environmental noise control, and radiological assessment. Drug prevention and control. People whose careers revolve around this area seek to reduce community and individual problems related to alcohol and drug abuse through evidence-based programs and policy advocacy. Sample careers includes the following: drug enforcement, drug and alcohol rehabilitation, health education. Those who work in this field are tasked with promotion of healthcare and training of health workers on managing change in healthcare. Mental health. Mental health workers deal with various oral conditions which include chronic mouth and facial pain, oral sores, periodontal disease, tooth decay and tooth loss, other diseases and disorders that affect the oral cavity. Sample careers: dental hygiene, dental nursing, and dental health. Occupational safety. Careers in this path are related to the safety, health and welfare of people engaged in work or employment. This includes protecting workers from sickness, disease, and injury arising from possible hazards of their employment and workplace. Sample careers are occupational health and safety technician, health inspector, and industrial hygienist. Emergency medical services. People assigned in this work specialize in out-of-hospital medical care. This skill includes first aid procedures, emergency medical treatment, and transport of patients, rapid emergency medical response, and immediate medical attention. Sample careers: emergency medical aid and paramedic. Therapeutic services pathways are careers whose job is to help patients maintain or change their health status over a course of time. Examples of these are nurses, pharmacists, dietitians, and physicians. Diagnostic services pathway. are those careers whose job is to help diagnose a patient's illness. Example of this include medical technologists, radiology technologists, and other allied services. Support services pathway are those careers that help in providing a therapeutic and healing environment for the sick. Examples include those workers in central supply and in housekeeping. Health informatics pathway are those careers who take care of documenting and encoding patient care. Some of these are medical transcriptions and encoders. Biotechnology research and development pathway are mostly the scientists involved in the research of biotechnology and development to enhance services provided by the health sector. Examples include microbiologists and other biologists. A career is more than just a paycheck. It is what you will be doing 40 hours a week for many decades. That's why it's important to consider the reasons to choose your career carefully. While an excellent salary and engaging work are the top of the list, there are even more incentives for pursuing a health career. Here are the top 3 reasons. 1. You will make a difference in people's lives. Perhaps the biggest reason to pursue a health career is to make a difference in the lives of others. You will contribute to creating a healthier world whether you work as a veterinarian, acupuncturist, health services administrator, or nurse. 2. You can work and live anywhere you want. Healthcare professionals in a comprehensive variety of fields are in high demand nearly everywhere across the nation. As a qualified health worker, you can decide where you want to live and the setting in which you work. You can go where you want with portable skills. Many health careers have excellent job prospects, which means you will not have trouble obtaining a job. Number 3. You will be in high demand. Most health careers enjoy job security as the fastest growing job sector in the entire labor market. The healthcare field is growing rapidly, unlike many industries that are losing workers. Dozens of health careers have excellent job prospects, which means you will never have a problem getting a job. A recent survey reported that 80% of job seekers would rather have a job that they love than one they with a high salary, while most Americans prefer passion over financial gain. The disappointing thing is that it indicates that personal satisfaction and wages are mutually exclusive. While this is true in some industries, healthcare continues to be the exception. Healthcare careers can offer the job security and portable skill you need to make a difference in people's lives. Career pathways can assist you in finding your way among the thousands of different occupations available to you. It makes it easier for you to identify career choices. Career pathways can help you develop a plan on how to prepare for your chosen career interest area. For your performance task, do this activity. Why pursue a health career? For the directions, just choose one activity you want to do from the following. Don't forget to submit and rubrics for the activity you provide by your Mapeh teacher. Now, get your pen and paper and let us have a short assessment. Number your paper 1 to 5 and answer the following questions. Directions. Read the statement carefully and choose the letter of the best answer. 3, B, 4, B, and 5, A. Did you get all the answers correct? Great job! Choose a job you love and you will never work a day in your life. Pretty good advice, right? Of course, this expression does not mean that you will literally never work a day in your life. Rather, it implies that when you love your work, it feels like a choice more than a burden. I hope you enjoy and learn in our learning enrichment today. Once again, this is Sir Alfred Santos from Malinta National High School. Thank you, and to God be the glory.